if I put something on the internet, if I'm an author, because that's one of the big things they tell you in writing with GPT is that you can say, write like this person, and it'll write in their prose.
Yeah.
And I kind of think that's plagiarism. But you can't train the model any other way. And so, how...
Is it plagiarism if all you do is read somebody's books and then you start writing like them?
Yeah, I think, that's a fine line there. Because I think that if you're really a big fan of a certain author, like J.K. Rowling's, if you love those books, it's potential, if you wrote your own book about, wizards and warlocks, that you might, adapt that style.
So I get what you're saying, but that's like a byproduct of learning or being human, is absorbing other people's idiosyncrasies, styles, whatever it is. But to intentionally go in and just blankly say, write me a Mark Twain poem.
But it didn't write you a Mark Twain poem. It looked at Mark Twain poems and came up with its own idea of what it would be. Well, I'm just playing devil's advocate.
It's an interesting conversation because if you say that, say I'm still alive and not some dead author that is not going to get paid, but say I'm still alive and I'm trying to make it as a writer, and I've got a unique style, and I'm being successful with it, but then other people are using GPT to write just like me. Mm-hmm. I feel like I would feel disenfranchised in that moment, but I don't know what you do about it because you can't stop it.
It would be very hard to prove, I don't know. It's a difficult, it's a challenging conversation.
Sounds like AI for all is going to have a lot of amazing conversations for sure.
And as a parent, that's one of my fears is that my child accidentally plagiarizes something using a tool like this because they just didn't know.
Yeah.
And I don't want to, I'd hate to see some, drastic consequences come from that.